welcome to Bill Builds. It's going to be a short one. I just wanted to go over an update to the tapering jig. I cut the slot fully through, as I mentioned in the end of the other video, and it made a world of difference to this thing. I'll put in the clip and you'll see. But effectively, I'm just going to get rid of these because it makes it easier to move. You can move this anywhere you want on this. It's stuck, of course, right now. Okay. You can move it anywhere, and you can go up and down. This was the way to go. Put the slot in. That's it. I think if you're going to make this, that's what you got to do. You got to put the slot all the way through, and that makes this thing really any angle. I'm telling you, this is the way to do it. It is very useful, and you saw me make a cut in that clip, and the cut came out clean. You can really go any angle, and it'll set up and it'll be repeatable. So I think that's the way to go. Cut the slot, and that's it. Thank you for watching.